Hold on, Joel. I'm coming. You got this big Bertha here. Today, we're reviewing this Kicker Dual L7 Enclosure. Now let's open it up. Wow, look at this thing. This is beautiful. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel, your place for product spotlights, the Orange Couch Crush series, recorded webinars from manufacturers, and our newest offering, the Eat, Sleep, Install, Repeat podcast, where we sit down with industry leaders and take a deeper dive into what makes them and their product tick. Be sure to check out our full lineup, subscribe, and give us a like. So as you can see, me and my lovely assistant just put the Kicker 49 DL7 TD F122 custom tuned loaded enclosure on the product spotlight. And might I say, we probably need a bigger table, because this thing is beefy. Let's take a minute to just show you. Let me turn it this way so you can really get a good look at the woofers. The dual 12-inch L7T woofers. The L7T woofers, as you can see, are square and are capable of playing louder than most normal round subwoofers. They also feature forced air cooling for higher power and reliability. That T in this piece's part number stands for thin, as you can see with just how narrow this box is. It's perfect for under truck seats so you don't have to lose any cargo space. Let's bring out our trusty tape measure and check out the depth. Comes in at about 8 inches and a quarter. The down-firing design allows the woofers to stay protected while the tough enclosure resists stacking weight. Check it out. Here you go.
Lay on it.
I'm not laying on it. Yeet! On the front of the enclosure, you can see this nice stitched Kicker logo, and the rest of the box is carpeted to match most vehicle interiors. It's also worth mentioning just how solidly this box is built. It feels great. I noticed it right when we took it out of the box. I feel like Matthew McConaughey. But even with the thin design, this enclosure can still put out deep bass. The recommended amp power is 1200 watts with a 2 ohm load input. The 49 DL7 TD F22. Deep bass in a small space. As always, Davis recommends reaching out to a local car audio installer. They have the expertise to get your car sounding right. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.